My name is Juvenile. My memory verse is taken from the book of 2 Corinthians chapter 9 verse 10 to 11, and it says, "He who provides seed for the sower and bread for food will also increase and multiply your harvest of righteousness. You will be enriched in every way through all generosity, which produces thanksgiving through God to us." Thank you.
Worship your Lord of God. Bless your food and your water. I'll take away sickness from among you. When you reap the harvest of your land, do not leave to the very end, or gather the living. Leave them for the poor and for the strangers among you. I am the Lord your God. I am here to share our memory, but even if they sprouted and blossomed the very morning you planted them, there will still be no harvest. There will be only trouble and incurable pain. Thank you. And I am here to present my memory verse. Exodus 23 verse 24. Do not hold back office or your faith. You must give me the firstborn of all your sons. Thank you. Taking from the book of Amos chapter 4, 7 to 9. I have back the rain when your cause needed it most. I send the rain on one city, but not another. Rainfall on one field, but another field dry up. Weak with thirst. The people of several cities went to a city where they hoped to find water, but there was not enough water to drink. Still, you did not come back to me. I sent a scorching wind to dry up your crops. The locusts ate up all your garden and vineyard, your fig trees and olive trees. Still, you did not come back to me. Amos chapter 4, 7 to 9. Thank you. Deuteronomy 24, 19 to 23. When you reap your harvest with your fruit and forget a shame, you shall not go back to get it. It shall be for change and the fatherless and the widow, that the Lord your God may bless you all your work of your hand. When you beat your own,